Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're just driving to the Gold Coast. Our first stop's going to be Griffith. It's about an 8-hour drive. We just left at 5 o'clock in the morning in Adelaide, so we're on the freeway.
Bye Adelaide Hills. The kids are in the back having a little morning snack. How's it going, guys?
Good.
Are we excited or what?
Yeah.
Where are you guys going?
Gold Coast.
Gold Coast. 2 hours into the trip. Another 6 hours to go to get to Griffith.
The morning bus, it's going pretty quick.
Yeah, everyone's still half asleep.
That's it. This is our current view.
In the South Australian outback.
Got the nature, we've seen a few kangaroos, sheep, cows, horses.
I don't know where our next stop's going to be.
Not sure, you're the driver.
See, I don't even know any of these towns, so whatever looks the best we'll stop at.
Sounds good to me.
Na ženi drugare, na ženi drugare, na ženi drugare. Hop!
Zakončil Jusufa.
Biti najjača. Na ženi drugare, na ženi drugare.
Bravo, Yusufe. So we're just crossing the border and we are in Victoria officially now. Bye South Australia. We've got how many hours left?
5.5 hours to go.
5.5.
Yeah.
Getting there.
Doesn't look much different though, South Australia and Victoria.
No, it
does
doesn't. But we're making some progress. That's the main thing. Getting there. We've stopped at the Ouyen country town just to get some food, recharge and get ready for our road trip ahead. We've got about 4.5 hours or something to go.
4.5, yeah.
Yeah. Not bad.
Yeah.
Halfway there.
Yeah, it went pretty quick, so it's good to get out and stretch the legs.
Cute town. It's really cute.
Yeah, it's nice. It's 9:30 AM.
Yeah, still early, but there's a few cars pulling up.
The bakery's packed.
Yeah, it was actually.
Yeah. It's a pretty nice little bakery.
What are you eating, Almir?
A sausage roll.
Yum, that looks delicious.
Bubba's got one as well. The old school sausage roll from a country bakery.
Gotta love them.
Yeah,
They're
good.
always
It's nice
fresh.
and fresh.
Yeah.
The bakery's packed. And Ariana's got chips and Dina's got chips and chicken nuggets.
Yeah, yummy.
Yummy. We only got 4 hours to go, then we can go to our hotel.
Yeah.
Has it been a long drive?
Yeah.
Only 4 hours, over halfway.
Halfway. We're nearly there, guys.
Yeah.
Then we can go and relax, chill.
And then another 8-hour drive tomorrow.
That's right, we can do it. We're ready.
If we can do it today, we can do it tomorrow.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right.
That is right. Hey, Dina.
Thanks.
So we're just leaving Victoria and it's about here that we're now entering New South Wales. Just
Take the next left onto Murray Street.
over the bridge. So we've entered New South Wales now.
In 300 meters, turn right onto Lee Street.
Yeah, I've got the river. Looks cute around here.
Take the next right onto Lee Street.
Tooly Boo.
I love the names.
Tooly Boo.
continue for 49 kilometers.
Go straight for 49 kilometers.
All these country towns look so similar.
They all look the same. They've all got similar sort of names.
Yeah. More vineyards around here though, and some fruit trees. So we're in New South Wales. Woo! Getting there, guys.
3 hours to go until we hit Griffith. So we got Mum driving the Hilux, the manual Hilux. Well done, Mum.
Go, Mum.
We got 3 hours to go until we get to Griffith, then we can sit down and relax for the rest of the night. And then I got another 8 hours to go tomorrow. Man, it's been nothing but dry grass and barely any trees for the last 5 hours.
In Europe, we would have passed about 3 countries about now, I reckon. That's what we did last year. Big country Australia is. Good country though.
Australia's the best country. How you going, guys?
Good.
You like the drive? Is it far?
Yeah. We can't wait to get to the hotel.
I bet. You're being good kids though. 5 hours and sitting in the car. Well, we had one stop at the bakery, but there's not many towns around to stop at, so.
Pretty quiet on the roads today.
Yeah, there hasn't been many cars at all.
No traffic, just cruisy doozy.
It's good.
So easy to speed though, like just gotta
Yeah, I know.
keep your eye on the speedo.
What's 100 here? What are you going?
100, but it's so tempting to go faster.
Maybe go 110. Get there quicker.
How amazing do these clouds look? So pretty. So much open space. Not many cars.
No, but the only ones on the road.
This has been a good trip, honestly. Like, just the traffic, no traffic on these roads today.
No traffic at all.
Pretty cool.
I don't know what behind me or in front of me. It's just straight. Here comes a truck. But they don't come very often, so.
How many more hours we got?
2.5.
Nice.
So we're going to go through Hay, then we're going to go stop in Griffith. So we just stopped in Hay. There's a big sign there for Hay. The kids are just playing at the playground. Jump up the fence. It's a nice little playground they got here. Got a big 4 caravan and park across the road. We're about an hour and a half from Griffith. What's up, guys? We're nearly there.
Welcome to Hay.
Hey, we're going to stop here for 20 minutes.
What a nice
Stretch the legs.
Such a cool playground.
It is.
Pretty warm today. Feeling the heat now. What are you playing, guys?
We're going on this big slide.
Cool. What one? There's 2.
Green one.
The green and blue one.
Good.
Is it scary?
Yeah. No.
Oh, it's pretty high. Go, Ari. Wait till Ari comes down. I'll tell her when she's down. There she is. Your turn. Woo! There you are. You made it. Cool, Dina.
Hurting me.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it's hurting me.
You love climbing, Ari?
Yeah. I can go. How to go over?
Oh, that's tricky. Hold on. You're good at this, Ari.
What? So down you are.
She's fine. You got this, Ari. Ari's pretty good at climbing. What's your favourite thing about this playground, Ari? The slide. What do you like, Dina?
The small park over there.
The small one.
Yeah, small one.
So we've got cows crossing the road. Wow. Packs of them.
Pouring rain.
Yeah, take your time, guys. We're about an hour's drive away from my location.
50 minutes.
Just go down.
Try it, mate. There's cows everywhere.
Absolutely everywhere.
Look at these over there.
There's a
Oh,
donkey.
they stopped for us.
There's a donkey.
Wow. So we're seeing cows crossing the road, emus, kangaroos,
And
Eagles.
donkeys.
eagles.
And donkeys.
No donkeys.
No
I
donkeys.
saw a donkey cross the road.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Raining as well.
Pouring, yeah. I don't know where the GPS is taking us.
Who knows? Hopefully we end up in the right spot.
Hopefully.
And now it's hailing. Very strong. Oh, sounds like it's dying out.
Hopefully. Can't see nothing.
From cows crossing the road to hail.
Hail, yeah.
Wow.
And we only got 45 minutes to go. It happens at the very end.
It's all happening.
It's all happening today.
To top things off, we're on gravel road now. Seriously. Can it get any better?
I don't think so.
Well, it looks like it's stopping with the rain. Oh, hayward. So that's good. Whoa. So we've entered Griffith after all the commotion that we've just been through. The cows, the hail, the gravel road.
Nearly got bogged.
So,
Thanks
hallelujah.
To GPS. Thank you, GPS, for sending me down
And
some
donkey.
random road.
Thank you, GPS.
Am I going right here?
Yes. So we're 4
In
minutes
800
away.
meters, turn right onto Willandra Avenue.
Pretty green little place.
You got that donkey.
Which way?
Just keep going straight and we'll be going right soon.
Alright. So we just checked into a hotel or motel. It's pouring with rain. I haven't stayed in a motel in ages. suppose it's got a pool, it's got beds, is what we need. We're only staying here overnight and we're going to Tamworth tomorrow morning. Here's the pool. This is just waiting to get the keys. You get the keys? We got the keys. Oh, can't wait. 8.5 hours driving. In the last 45 minutes, man, that was hectic. But we finally arrived and let's go check into our room.
Welcome to our casa. Ari's relaxing. That was a big drive, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Now you can chill, stretch your legs. Boys relaxing. Gonna get some food after. We're in between. What are we in between, guys? Yeah, so take a pick. We don't have to walk far.
So we just smashed down some KFC. It's right next to our motel. So we have to walk.
Motel,
Holiday Inn. So we didn't have to walk too far, 1 minute. So we're walking back now. I'm just gonna lay it down for the rest of the night because I can't be bothered doing anything.
And chill.
Hello,
Keith. Is this Keith?
not Keith, it's Griffith. Keith.
I think I'm delusional. I'm thinking of Mount Gambier.
Yeah, Mount Gambier, where you got the chicken at the petrol station. The KFC. Oh, here we are. We're back again. Have a good night. Day 1 complete. Tomorrow back off to Tamworth.
It's lightning.
Yeah, it's going to be a storm.
Another storm, another hail.
I'm just going to lay down and do nothing now, so...
Sounds good to me.
Have a good night, guys. Joey's off to bed.
Like and subscribe.
Just like and subscribe. 6 o'clock and I'm off to sleep.